How's it going, people? Rage Plays here to talk about the PC version of Game Pass announced during Xbox's E3 conference. Though there were other important announcements ranging from a new Elite controller that improves on its previous edition, to a new console in the works with the project named Scarlet. This console, releasing sometime in 2020, was said to be 40 times more powerful than the current gen, with FPS up to 120, supposed 8K graphics and GDDR6 memory. This thing is certainly a powerhouse and something to watch out for within the next year. There was also an announcement about game streaming through xCloud. Almost anywhere with low latency and possibly turning your Xbox into a dedicated server or connecting directly to an Xbox provided server to stream your games to your phone or any other device while on the go or out and about. However, I am here to talk about the Xbox Game Pass, or more specifically the PC Game Pass that was announced, and to help you get to try it. The Game Pass was announced during the E3 conference and said that it will feature a lineup of over 100 games, and they will continually announce games on the regular, which they have already done with the Xbox, and it's been a very successful thing. It's something that I used often on the Xbox to play new games or play games that I have never had the chance to play. There was always a good lineup of games, and they always continue to add. So ahead of schedule though, since it is currently in beta, they have already announced a good amount of games to be added to the current lineup of games, ranging from Gears 5 to Age of Empires. I'll have to show you guys a picture of what games are expected to be added. The price of the Game Pass ranges from the largest package, which will be featured on Xbox and PC, Ultimate Package, that includes Xbox Game Pass, Xbox Gold, and PC Game Pass. This is starting at $1 because of the beta, then going into a monthly payment of $15. This covers all of the current memberships into one for a fitting price. If you plan to play exclusively on PC, however, then once again, $1 will suffice to get you into the beta, and then the monthly price being a small payment of $5. I believe it might go up later on as the lineup increases. That might not be correct though. The Xbox version maintains its $10 monthly fee. To get this Game Pass on your PC though, you're going to need to download the new Xbox app through the Microsoft Store and install it. You may be prompted with a message saying your computer requires an update or is not actually currently available to accept this install or to have this app on the system. To fix this issue, go to your system settings and look for updates, or use Cortana and search update. You will see a choice that says check for updates. Once the updates are properly installed, try again. If prompted with the same message, try joining the Insider Access, which is lower on the list on the check for updates. You can click that and then sign up for the highest level of access if you believe it is necessary. That is how I did it, and that is how I entered the beta access to download this app. Once you've done that, both of those steps will likely require a restart. If the first one doesn't work, you're going to have to do the second restart for the Insider Access, but once you're in that, you will see that your computer is a little different because you are now in the latest version, the unreleased edition of Windows 10. There can be some issues with this. If you don't want to stay in it long term, that's completely understandable. There are bugs in betas, and that's how it works. You're supposed to report it to Microsoft as a community member, someone that's eager to try out new things early on. But once you've done that and you can successfully download the app and install it, then that's all you need to do the Game Pass. Sign up with your Xbox account, make a new account, whatever you need to do. And I believe that it is an open beta currently for this weekend. Once that is over, however, you can pay the monthly fee to get Game Pass. Over 100 games on the lineup right now. And the app actually features a beautiful UI design similar to what is currently popular with the Xbox system, and something that's been recognized throughout the whole thing. That's their idea. That's what they're going for, is the sleek UI floating and the dark theme. Aside from that though, you can jump into the Game Pass, you can jump into the app, and you can look through, pick whatever game you want to play and play it. Or you can have the Game Pass choose what game for you by rolling a dice. It's a nice little feature if you're one of those people that don't like to decide on a game. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and a subscribe for more great content. I still have a huge latency between videos, and I am aware of it, but I am attempting to maintain a high quality when making videos, and still am working on the kinks, as they say. Once again, thanks for watching the video, and have a great day.